Good morning team, Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's installment, by the way, give this video a thumbs up if you guys like the video. Share this video with a friend who wants to tint his vehicle or anything like that. This is not a DIY video. So in today's installment, we're doing a tint on the vehicle. This guy, my friend, introduced me to, say, alright, we can tint your vehicle. So I say, alright, it's been a while since I wanted to tint, like up to like 15% tint somewhere out there. So same can tint it, and today we're gonna loan for tint it for some bands. And my charge me in US currency between $50 and $100. My charge me that for tint the vehicle, and we're gonna get this tinted today. So this is my car right here. It's a 2008 Honda Stream. As you can see, that's factory tint on the rear of it, no tint on the front. A tint on the front screen. It's 5 inches down. So we'll tint over the factory tint and tint this. So I tint it up to 15%. That's me. Let's get it. I'll wait on this guy. So this one I'm gonna go with 25% tint. Still not done it. Big boss there. Then I probably for remove the tint. Try to look at things. All good. I have a spray, you know. I sprayed this on 110. I sprayed out yesterday. Just to show it this on spray it 2 times, brother. Remove the glue, you know. I spot the alright, man. Use the rears and clean them up, brother. Clean them up. Where's that breathing? Brother. Nobody can see me in the car again. Alright, this is, as I said, this is 20% tint. Sick. And let me tell you guys, I know 20% can actually get you pulled over. I think in Jamaica, I'm not sure. I believe at 35% and up is legal. So right now, me illegal. So we have to do it for now. Till we get me pick up. Yeah. So as you guys can see, do it on the outside and also upon the outside and the inside. Yeah, upon it. No. Fit it on the outside and then install it on the inside. See. Fit it on the outside and install it on the inside. I was going to do a DIY. I'm gonna say, you know, can't bother. Can't be bothered, so I'm just get that guy here to do it for me. I don't know what's up. Nice. Alright, see the difference how this dark and this kind of purple. I believe when you get purple over time, is either I get old or is a cheap tint. I believe this is one cheap tint, brother, for you pay for. I'm not sure because overseas it's like over $100 here, so tint cars. So you see difference. So I'm gonna remove that tint here. I'm making tint up there. You know this how work. A good youth, man. A good youth. Alright, we finished tint. %. This is from the inside. Showing it from the outside. 20% from the outside. Yep. So guys, I'm back home. I'm just gonna outro this vlog and tell you guys to like stick around until 2 days from now vlog, because every 2 days, 3 days, something like that, I drop a vlog. Most it take for like a week. Most it take is like a week for drop a vlog. Besides from that, Team Ismash, hope you guys enjoy the vlogs. The beast is over here, so sexy as hell. And again, thank you guys for watching my vlogs. I appreciate it. I can always like, comment and share. Tell me what I'm going, you know what I'm saying? Tell me if you don't like the vlogs, then let me know what I'm going, isn't it? Team Ismash. See you in my next vlog. I'm out.